Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a traditional Desi Akhada. First, select a suitable location for your Akhada. Look for a flat, open space, ideally around 20 by 20 feet, to allow ample room for training. Good drainage is crucial to prevent waterlogging, which can damage the soil. Also, consider how close you are to a water source, as you'll need it for regular maintenance and keeping the dust down. Now, let's prepare the soil, which is the heart of any Akhada. Begin by thoroughly clearing the area of any rocks, roots, or other debris. Next, dig down to a depth of about 1.5 to 2 feet to create a solid foundation. The key is then to mix your chosen Akhada soil with natural additives. Traditionally, this includes mustard oil and turmeric, which help maintain the soil's texture and hygiene. Once your special soil mixture is ready, it's time to spread and compact it. Distribute the soil evenly across the entire Akhada space, ensuring a consistent depth. Then, use heavy rollers or traditional wooden tools to firmly compact the soil. This process is vital for creating a stable and resilient surface. A perfectly level surface is essential for the safety and effectiveness of all wrestling and training activities. Maintaining your Akhada properly ensures its longevity and safety. Regularly water the surface to keep the soil moist and prevent it from cracking, especially in dry weather. Daily raking and leveling are also crucial to maintain a smooth, consistent training area. This routine care will preserve the quality of your Akhada for years of use. Also, for some great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.